Hello and welcome to the Breville Bambino Plus unboxing. So we've got the Bambino Plus here and we got a couple of accessories as well. We have a milk jug with a thermometer in it, inside of it. That's there. And we also have coffee grinder. So let's start off with these first. Move this box down. Okay, so we'll start off with the jug, shall we? The milk jug thermal. You can see it's got like little LED lights on there. Oh wow, it's actually quite clean, these. So it's a nice size. Look at that. So on the inside you can't really there's nothing in it, it's just plain stainless steel, and the thermometer is on the outside and that lights up. How does it light up? How does it have power? Black magic. Turns out it's black magic. Item number 1. Coffee and spice grinder. So we're waiting for coffee. We'll see how that goes. Oh, yeah, I see. So you put the beans in here. You can see the blade in there. That's cool. Here's the motor here. So put this like so. Clips in. Put the beans in. Put the cover on top. Wait. Is it? Oh, it works by just pushing it. I see. Okay, cool. Nice minimal design. Pack that away when we're not using it. It's just free space on the bench. That's one thing we like about the Bambino Plus. It's quite small, and we didn't want it all in one with the bean grinder because we wanted to be able to put this away when we're not using it to make more space on the bench. So we don't have the biggest kitchen. So that was the best option for us. Now we get out the big ticket item. You can see me still. Let's get out my utility tool. It's a box in a box. So we got the sea salt color, so the white one. So it goes really nicely in the kitchen. There's another box inside this. Jeez. Okay. Here we go. And then here's another side. Look at this. Beautiful. It already feels like pretty good quality. Nice, feels nice. Push down the coffee. What else do we got here? We got a razor. I guess that's to cut off the top of the coffee to make it right, like so. So it looks like you push it down the coffee, and then you can use this to make sure it's the perfect amount. Dual wall. Okay. Excuse me, boxes. Put this to like so. Reveal another milk jug. What's this? Cleaning tablets. So some cleaning tablets there. This looks like you plug it up to clean it. Just a regular jug. Milk frother jug. Oh, I'm liking the color. I like the size of it, eh? I like the color. The top gets hot for your cups. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? Wow, I really like the color. It's got a nice little bit of a shine to the white. It's really nice. That's gonna look really nice in the kitchen. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Okay. How's that? So, this is the frother here. So I know I can do manual mode and automatic. There's auto mode with the monitor down here, which I'm going to show later. I'll do a bit of a test. I'm going to do a test later after this. At the back, so where the water goes. Put the water at the back here. Put the water in there. Oh, it's so nice. I like the size of it. I like everything about it, actually. Like so. Look at this. It's perfect. So that's the Bambino. So, I'll go out to the kitchen, do some tests, and we'll see what this thing can do. Get some nice close-ups. Maybe some slow-mos for you too. Let's do it.